In this video I'm gonna show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your Oppo F21 5G Pro. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for an app and enter Google Classroom. Select this app, install it. After installation process is complete, we can open our app, click on Get Started, select the email account you want to use for it, click on this plus button and then join the class. Enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after that click on the join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.